If you are thinking about buying a new desktop computer, an upgraded laptop, or any home studio gear right now, stop everything you are doing and look very closely at the market. A massive, historic disruption is unfolding right inside Apple's design labs, and it is completely flipping the script on value for money in the entire tech industry. For over a decade, we have been conditioned to believe that if you want absolute top-tier professional computing power, you have to buy a massive, heavy desktop tower or spend thousands of dollars on a high-end laptop. But right now, verified factory component leaks, international supply manifests, and internal operating system code have confirmed a shocking reality. Apple is currently preparing to unleash the brand new Mac Mini running on the hyper-efficient M5 silicon architecture, and it is undergoing the most aggressive, jaw-dropping physical and internal redesign in the history of the compact desktop. Apple is not just updating this machine. They are turning it into a hyper-powered, pocket-sized studio beast that is specifically engineered to make massive desktop towers look like clunky, overpriced relics of the past. The absolute biggest financial mistake you can make right now is spending your hard-earned money on current desktop options, thinking that the next leap will just be another simple, routine spec bump. It is not. We are talking about a total architectural and physical shift. If you buy a computer today, it will feel completely ancient the exact second this new machine hits the market. Think about the massive shockwave that hit the industry when Apple first transitioned to their custom silicon years ago. That exact same level of chaotic, market-shattering disruption is about to hit the compact desktop space all over again. Internal schematics from the assembly lines show that Apple is completely tossing out the old design framework that they recycled for over a generation. They are utilizing advanced thermal materials and cutting-edge chip fabrication to build a machine that balances on a razor edge between extreme, industrial-grade performance and a footprint so small it can literally hide in the palm of your hand. Let us pull back the curtain on the most visually shocking transformation hitting this machine. For nearly 15 years, the Mac Mini has occupied the exact same aluminum square footprint on our desks. It was a great design, but it left an immense amount of empty space inside the chassis. For the M5 generation, Apple is executing a total design rebellion. Reliable supply chain data indicates that the new Mac Mini is getting a massive physical shrink, reducing its footprint to a size that closely mirrors an Apple TV box. This means you are looking at a desktop computer that is less than half the size of the previous model. To achieve this level of extreme miniature engineering without causing the machine to overheat and throttle under heavy workloads, Apple had to completely reinvent how air moves through a computer chassis. Instead of relying on a traditional, bulky internal fan system that takes up half the case, the M5 Mac Mini utilizes an advanced, high-efficiency single-fan loop coupled with a direct contact thermal exchange plate made of ultra-high conductivity copper alloys. The system draws cool air directly up through a precision-machined intake hidden seamlessly in the bottom rim of the base, circulates it directly over the hyperdense core components, and expels it out of the rear exhaust array with zero turbulence. This revolutionary airflow loop ensures that even when you are pushing the machine to its absolute computational limits, rendering complex files or compiling massive databases, the chassis remains